The average knowledge worker in 2026 still wastes 19% of their salary on research tasks that a $5 a month tool can fully automate. Right now, in June 2026, the manual search tax is officially optional. After killing 3 separate research subscriptions, this entire stack runs for $4.99 a month on Perplexity Pro. And the Make Automation layer is completely free. This workflow saves me 5 hours of deep research every single week. The 2025 approach to research was a chaotic mess of browser tabs and copy pasting. McKinsey's 2023 Generative AI Productivity Report confirmed that knowledge workers still spend 1 full day every week simply searching for and gathering information, a number that has barely shifted in years. With 50% of people holding a bachelor's degree or higher now working from home, that search fatigue is the single biggest drain on our 7.6-hour workdays in 2-3. Generative AI has moved beyond simple chatting and is now poised to automate activities that absorb 60 to 70% of our time. CP. Instead of being a human search engine, you need to become an orchestrator, someone who directs AI agents instead of doing the searching yourself. Gartner projects that by 2027, over 40% of enterprise knowledge work search queries will be handled by AI agents rather than human operators. That transition is already underway. The first tool in our stack is Perplexity AI. Unlike a standard LLM that might hallucinate facts, Perplexity is an AI search engine that cites its sources in real time. 5. It acts as a digital librarian that reads the live web and gives you a structured answer with footnotes. DQ. This is what experts call Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG 6A. It ensures that your research is factually grounded in the real world, not just what a model learned 2 years ago. For remote workers, this means you can trust the output for client presentations without double-checking every single link. To turn this into a combo that replaces your other tools, you need Make. Make is a visual automation platform that is significantly more powerful than Zapier for complex multi-step workflows. 6B. Here is the cost reality that makes this a no-brainer. Make's free tier handles everything in this workflow. Zapier's comparable plan runs $29.99 a month. While Zapier handles simple trigger action tasks, Make lets you build an iterative loop for data transformation, branching, filtering, and reformatting at every step. 6POB. We are going to use it to connect Perplexity's search power directly to our documentation tools. This setup is the bridge between playing with AI and actual agentic execution. Here is the exact workflow. Step 1. Create a simple Google form or a dedicated Slack channel as your trigger. Step 2. Connect that trigger to a Make scenario. Drag and connect, no code required. Step 3. Use Make's native Perplexity module. No API keys required. Just authorize and you are live. Perplexity's integration is incredibly fast, and by enabling focus mode, you can tell it to only scan academic papers or news sites. This replaces the need for expensive dedicated research assistants or high-tier enterprise tools. You are building a virtual expert that works 24/7. Once Perplexity finds the data, the Make scenario doesn't stop there. It takes that cited research and pushes it into a Notion database or a Google Doc. I have mine set to automatically draft a market intelligence brief every time a new lead enters my CRM. This isn't just about saving time, it's about quality. Data from the NBAR shows that using a generative AI assistant can improve the performance of novice and low-skilled workers by a staggering 34%. By automating the synthesis, you ensure that every team member is performing at a senior level, regardless of their research skills. Here is the advantage that compounds silently while everyone else is still Googling. Every time this workflow runs, your Notion database grows. Every brief, every market insight, every competitor signal gets indexed, tagged, and searchable. 6 months from now, you will have a proprietary institutional knowledge base that a competitor starting fresh in 2027 simply cannot replicate. The most successful remote workers treat AI as co-intelligence. 10. Not just a time saver, but a compounding asset. A knowledge worker who starts this stack today will have 12 months of indexed context, sourced briefs, and pattern recognition that no new hire or late adopter can buy their way into overnight. That gap widens every single month. You are the coach. The AI is the intern that never sleeps, and every shift it works makes your next one faster. You just learned how to kill 3 expensive tools and save 5 hours a week. That is 5 hours back every week, 260 hours a year. What would you build with that time? Next week, I'm showing you the Airtable base that replaced my $300 a month project management stack. And I'm dropping the template so you can clone it in minutes. Subscribe so you don't miss that template drop. I'll see you in the next one.